Snoring arises when breathing is obstructed. This can be caused by a cold or an anatomical irregularity in the nose or throat. However, the most common cause of snoring is that the muscles in and around the throat relax too much when we are asleep. This means that the opening in the throat becomes narrow and air has difficulty in passing. As one requires the same amount of air to the lungs, the air intake speed increases. Pressure in the throat increases and the uvula and soft palate begin to vibrate. The noise produced by these vibrations is called snoring. The wall of the throat vibrates during breathing, and this is what causes the snoring sound that we are all familiar with. Most of the time, this is just a minor annoyance to our partner. But when it gets loud and continual, and when breathing stops, this is when you need to start being concerned. There are 4 ways that breathing gets obstructed and snoring occurs. First, if there is bulky throat tissue from being overweight, it will cause you to snore. We've seen this happen in children, so when their tonsils or adenoids get removed, the problem usually subsides. Secondly, if a person has a long soft palate or a long uvula, the opening between the nose and the throat can get obstructed, and when they bump up against one another while we sleep, your airway gets blocked and you start snoring. The third way snoring happens is when your nasal passages get blocked and more effort is needed to transfer air through them as you are sleeping. What happens is that the non-rigid and dangling tissue in the throat collapses and you start to snore. Some people only snore during allergy season, when they have a bad cold or a bad sinus infection. If the person has a deviated septum or nasal polyps, there can be obstructions that cause sleep problems and snoring as well. Finally, if the muscle tone in either the throat or tongue is weak, they can get too relaxed and then they collapse or fall back into the air passage. This will happen a lot of times if a person drinks alcohol or if they have taken any sleeping pills. Aging will also cause the tissues in the throat and tongue to do this. So the older you get, the more prone you are to snoring. Here's what we do know. Men or women that snore habitually run the risk of very serious health problems. First of all, when you have the combination of the snoring and the breathing problems, it is sometimes referred to as obstructive sleep apnea. And if it goes untreated, you are at risk of serious health problems. One of the worst risks is that blood and oxygen levels get lowered, which in turn causes your heart to work much harder than it should. Your blood pressure rises as well, and quite significantly. This oftentimes results in a poor night's sleep. Anyway, the dangerous part about all of this is that with the prolonged snoring problems, you may succumb to high blood pressure, and your heart can become enlarged, and you become more prone to heart attacks and strokes. The bottom line is that it isn't healthy to be sleeping so fitfully because of all these health consequences. Are you ready for some good news? Here's the best news I can give you. It is called a snore, and this is going to give you the relief that both of you and your wife have been needing for a long time. It's not for anything but snoring technically, though when you have breathing problems from those other melodies, it would probably help you. It is a nasal spray, as you can see, and it is a clinically tested product that has no noticeable side effects.